Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing the first video in our Java tutorials, and we're going to be installing netbeans to be able to run the Java code, since you can't do that on Sublime without the build system. And I've tried creating the build system with Sublime, but it didn't work, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a different platform here that has the ability to run Java. So we're going to be using NetBeans for convenience. It's a free software that you can get from Apache.org. So type in netbeans.apache.org into your search engine and then search that. And then it should take you to this page. So once you're on this page, actually into a previous page, my bad, it's actually this one. So go into download on the first one and then scroll down. And if you're using Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, you can find all the links right here for the installers and packages. So we're going to go ahead and click on Friends of Apache Packages. And then here's all the packages that you can get here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one since we're running on a Windows 11. And just let that download. Now I'm using a microphone today. Hopefully that cuts out any of the background noise that's going on right now. Okay, so now that we have that downloaded, I'm going to pause the video for a second. Okay, so now in your downloads, just go ahead and click on the Apache NetBeans application that you downloaded. Double click on it, and it should run the installation. Okay, click on next. And it says I need this much space to install it. I don't have that much space in this drive. I'm gonna see if it works anyways. If not, then we're gonna have to do this after I clean up some space on this. Actually, let me clean up some space real quick before I click on install here. Okay, I just moved something around, so it should have enough space now. I'm gonna install. And just let that run its course. Okay, I'm just gonna be testing. Okay, I'm just gonna be running into issues all day with this, it seems, because of my limited space and maxed out storages. All right, finish, launch. Okay, so you pretty much get the idea. This is like loading super slow. But yeah, that's pretty much already installed. So in the next video, we're going to be using this to do a few Java learning exercises. And I will definitely work on freeing up some more space on this so it doesn't cause a recording issue on the next video. Okay, take it easy. Bye.